Beneath the water, beneath 100 meters of earth, there's something holding up an entire bridge. Something you will never see with your own eyes. Building a bridge isn't really about what you see above the water. The real challenge is buried underneath. Let's start with the piling rig. This towering machine drives a long steel pipe, called a pile, straight down into the earth, all the way to the solid rock below.
Now let's walk through how it all actually comes together. It starts with surveying.
When a foundation reaches all the way down to solid bedrock, that bridge can stand for centuries.
And that's the story of how human-built machines take on one of nature's toughest challenges.
We have a pressure drop on segment 4. I need the hydraulics checked immediately. Over.
Next time you drive across a bridge, take a second to think about what's happening beneath your feet. An entire world of engineering you'll never see, but one that makes everything above it possible.
If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment which mega project you want us to cover next.